We are excited to have you join us today for what's said to be an insightful session. It's a pleasure to bring you this webinar, and we are glad to feature Hiranmoy, one of our finest engineers. He has been on the team for an extended period of time. Also, we encourage your interaction, so if you have any questions, don't hold them back. Drop them in the Zoom chat anytime, and we will address them during the Q&A segment. Let's jump right in. I'm now passing it over to Hiranmoy. We'll get us started. Hi, Hiranmoy.
Hello guys, I'm Hiran Madas Choudhury and currently I'm working in Appscode. So today our topic is Postgres connection using single DNS with KubeDB-Managed Pgpool. So let's get started. Okay, so our first topic is what a connection pooler is, and then we'll see how Pgpool connects with Postgres to handle read or write versions. And then we'll have a quick demo, and then we'll have a Q&A session. So let's go. So as our first topic is what is connection polar. So to start with the basics, Postgres is powerful, but applications often open and close many connections, which can cause overhead and performance bottlenecks. That's where a connection pooler comes in. A pooler maintains a pool of active connections and reuse them for incoming requests. This reduces connection overheads, improve performance, and help applications scale. There are multiple poolers for Postgres, but today we'll focus on Pgpool. Pgpool is unique because it doesn't just handle connection pooling, it also offers advanced features like load balancing, replication management, and most importantly, read-write query splitting. Okay, so now we'll see Pgpool read-write split, how Pgpool does it. Traditionally, when working with a high availability Postgres cluster, you would have a primary database for write, one or more replicas for read. Applications would then need two separate connection endpoints, one DNS or service for write, another for reads. This complicates application logic because developers need to know which queries go where. Pgpool solves this problem beautifully. It exposes a single DNS endpoint. Behind the scene, Pgpool look at SQL query and automatically routes write operation to the primary. Okay. Uh, Read operation to the replicas. This makes application much simpler. They connect to just one DNS, and Pgpool does the heavy lifting. Okay, so let's have a quick demo. Before we get started, I already installed KubeDB. So here we're watching Postgres, Pgpool, and the pod list in demo namespace. We'll be working in demo namespace, so I just created. Okay. So as Pgpool is a connection pooler, we'll need the Postgres. So let's deploy Postgres. Okay. I already made a configuration for Postgres, so here it is. You can check this out. Let's deploy this one. Okay. Yeah, the secret is here. Okay. So let's deploy the Postgres. Okay. Okay. Um, Here you can see the Postgres YML here. So it is referring to the secret we just deployed. And yeah, here's the storage class and version. Let's deploy it. Okay. Mm, okay, we are watching the Postgres has been created and in provisioning state. Yeah, as we can see, there's 3 replicas, so it's creating one by one. Let's wait. Like, we need to get this Postgres to be ready. So yeah, yeah, it's in ready state. So let's deploy the Pgpool. Okay, before this, we can have a look on our Pgpool YML. Uh, okay, Pgpool YML. Yeah, we have version 4.4.5. If you wanna change the version, uh, we KubeDB supports some Pgpool version. Let's see those one by one. Yeah, there are 4.4.5, 4.4.8, and the latest one is 4.6.0. Let's use this one. For custom version, you can see our KubeDB documentation. We already discussed that. Okay. Okay. So let's see the Pgpool YML again. Okay. Here we are using only one replica, and the Postgres reference is PG. We already deployed the PG. Yeah, its name is PG. You just need to refer the name and the namespace. And if you wanna give any configuration, you can give it in here or using our config secret. So let's deploy the Pgpool. Yeah, deployed. So yeah, here we can see our Pgpool is in provisioning state. So the only replica pp0 is creating. It's taking a bit of time, so I guess it's because of networking issue. Let's wait for a while. Okay, let's see the services created by the KubeDB. KC get SPC and demo. Yeah, we already deployed the Postgres, so the service already created by the KubeDB. Yeah, that's for the primary, and this for the secondary one. So write and read we can handle. Yeah, the service for the Pgpool already created. It's where let's check the Pgpool pod if there is a problem. Let's see. Describe pod. Yeah, that's it. Spooling image. Okay. Okay, it's taking a lot of time. Okay, let's describe it again. So if it is pulled, okay, so we can see the image. It's, yeah, it's good. Okay, let's see the Pgpool YML, I guess, pod YML. Okay, if there is an issue, that's good. Then what's the issue? Yeah, it's running now. So hopefully it will be ready within a second, within a few seconds. So let's wait. Yeah, it's ready. It took a lot of time because of the Docker pull push, slow a bit. Okay, so as the Pgpool is ready in here, so how the Pgpool deployed by the KubeDB handles read or write split. As we know that uh, to use Postgres, we need to handle like read operation or write operation from the developer side. There is two different endpoint for read and write. So that's the issue. Like as a developer, uh, we need to handle two different endpoints while reading the data or writing the data. So Pgpool comes into the scene and handles this by itself. Okay, so let's check the Pgpool configuration. So we deployed the like Pgpool configuration in a secret and using it in Pgpool. So you can see the Pgpool configuration by the secret. So let's get into here. Okay, here is our Pgpool configuration. So yeah, let's zoom it. Yeah, yeah. There is pgpool.conf, and we have backend hostname, which is pgdemo-svc. As earlier, we discussed that the PG service is the primary one, and we are hitting in this DNS service DNS. So this DNS is for the write operation, and C always primary desolate failover, and hostname one. Hostname one is the secondary for secondary service, which only supports the read operation. Okay, so we can see the port. Yeah, yeah. So whenever we like hit the pgpool svc, like we can see get svc and demo, there is like, yeah, a service for pgpool. Whenever we hit in this service, it will forward this the request to the pgpool, and this will handle write and read operation by selecting the queries. Okay, so let's test this out. If we can, if our pgpool can handle this read and write split. Okay, let's port forward this service, and yeah, let's see, port forward. Okay, the port is this one, so we can use it. for success. Okay, let's hit in to this Pgpool. Okay, okay. So using PSQL, we are gonna hit in our Pgpool, and the username is Postgres, and the database name is Postgres. So if you want to know the username and database name, so you can check this out by like secret. This is our secret which Postgres holds, and like we can know the username and configuration. From configuration part we can check this out. Like, let's hit it. Yeah, handling connection. Okay, so what, so let's create a table. Okay, we can create a table employees with ID, name, role, and salary. So yeah, the table has been created, and if we want to insert something in here, so yeah, insert employees values. Yeah, so insert it. If you want to read something from here, so you can just simply select uh, everything from employees. Yeah, it's been created. So yes, you can using Pgpool for read write split. Pgpool can handle this, and you don't need to worry about two different DNS while writing. Okay, so yeah, here is our webinar about Pgpool. Let's get into the Q&A session. Yeah.
I guess there is no question at this point. Thank you, Hiranmoy, for this insightful webinar with hands-on demo. A big thanks to each of you for being here and contributing to the session. We are excited to continue the conversation in our upcoming webinars. Be sure to check out appscode.com/webinar to explore our full webinar lineup and secure your spot. Until next time, take care and have a great day. Bye bye.